Hello everyone, it's LasithKArt here, my next painting video, and today I'll be painting this lovely grass field at sunset taken near Euroa, and I'll list the equipment down in the description below. Now let's get straight into it. So first of all, I'm applying pure cerulean blue into the corners of the sky, and I'm blending it in with acrylic white and work my way down towards the bottom of the canvas. And I make the corners darker so your attention is drawn to the center of the image. And then I begin applying the clouds in a mixture of grey, and I add yellow mixed with white to the underside of the clouds. And then I begin adding a light yellow to the distant dry grass and add the shadows in a brown. And then I add a reddish mixture of brown as an underpainting, and I add the light yellows and light oranges on top of this. And then I continue adding lighter colours on top of this, and I add a tree line in the background and some trees in the distance. And then I add trees towards the foreground, and I add an even closer tree. And then I add the steel gate and fence to finish off the painting. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this video, and I hope you all really enjoyed it. Now the name of this painting is A Winter Evening's Glow. And don't forget to check out my Instagram and Google Plus at LasithKArt. And don't forget to like and subscribe as always. And don't forget to check out my other content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.